it was the TM City program. And now it's this. Oh, wait!
That's the problem! That's the problem! Oh my God!
Friday night, welcome to the Bedtime Snack Theater Review.
I'm going to keep it over.
Anyone?
Because I look bad.
Okay, midgets on stage. Well, hi, it is Friday and you're here. What a joy. Such a deal. Congratulations to you, the finance lady. Great. So we have an exceptional show tonight. We decided to do some skits. Last week it was stand-up, next week stand-up again, but this week some skits. We start out with some improv, as some of you know. We have some improv showpieces, exercises, whatever you call them. And they're certainly not guaranteed to be funny, but they are guaranteed to be new. So we do new stuff every week, like it or not. You can't remember what we did last week.
Yes, we are.
So to start with, I need the whole group.
This is it. Hey, quick. In the middle we have Shannon Nettles tonight, singing some divine Christian tunes. Johnny Squill on the keyboard. You've been listening to Ralph here. What do you think of Ralph? He's great. Ralph's a hero in every way. So we also got some cookies that you can never forget, and I hope it's because they're good. So, to start with, we do a little exercise called freeze and switch.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Two victims, you can get back in again. Okay. Alan likes to be first. Freeze and switch. One other victim.
Don't all you rush out there.
Go on! I'm Nick. Yes. Oh, yeah, okay, well, there's a little more to it. Well, this doesn't make much difference, but we like to make you have the impression or the illusion that you're actually participating in the show. So, we'd like to ask you for a location for these distinguished gentlemen.
Hey.
East Germany. Spanish part of East Germany. Paris. That's good. Okay, who wants to really say it? Okay, Dallas. Who said Dallas? Paris? Who said Paris? Okay, you also about. Okay. Well, maybe not. Paris. Where in Paris? Anybody else?
East Germany.
Everyone likes the Eiffel Tower. Okay, you're not in the Eiffel Tower in a cafe. Who likes it?
Yeah.
Everybody near the Eiffel Tower.
We've been in Paris for 4 weeks.
Okay, Paris. Fine. You're in Paris. I don't care where.
What's with Paris?
They're related. How are they related? Are they blood or work relationship?
They're sisters.
I want a work relationship or a blood relationship. Okay, wait a minute. They're sisters. Okay? You asked for it. I'm just a tennis player. Okay, so you are sisters. It's okay. And you're parents. And don't worry, it's going to change in 10 seconds. All your creativity for me.
I'll switch with her.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Parents, sisters, go for it.
Okay, so who's going to pay for the check? No, I have half. I think I have half. It's $1.20 for the things I have.
You eat everything. I eat nothing, you eat everything.
Well, you're dumber than I
I get
am.
$1 when you get 2, I make nothing. Okay, so I'll try my best like this. So, now, how about if I pay 2 pairs? No, let's go over here in Frankfurt. Let's just leave.
France!
love those blue pants you have on. Where'd you get those anyway?
Yes, they're so butch.
They are. They're smoking. Why don't you just walk this way for a second? Now, let's walk back this way. Ooh, you stuck muffin. You are just dressed to the hilt, aren't you? Ooh.
You say that to all the boys.
Just how old are you anyway?
Old enough to know.
Old enough to know?
Freeze. Okay, now, if you're going to lead a New Orleans funeral march, you got to get the moves in. Okay, just shake the hands a little. Let me watch you for a while. Just stand right here. You got to get over here. You got to get the butt in there, you know.
The butt, okay. Freeze! Pose? I can't even touch the ground here. Okay. Okay.
Great.
Okay, now, was it the right contact that you lost, or was it the left one? What was it?
I can't see out.
Was it, is there like a green thing? Is it like green or what? Ah, forget it. Freeze.
It's all right. I know this is the first session, but be with your feelings. Right now, what's the first thing that comes to mind?
Oh, hey, why?
Yeah. That's what I thought. Usually in the first session when they do this, it's because of the wife. Okay. Now, if you want to yell, just go ahead.
One, two, three,
I can't do that.
4, 5. Oh, come on, it's easy. Get down here. We gotta get rid of this flap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Up now. Do the tummy now. Over on the tummy. Oh, come on.
It's been like 10 minutes
Do
or
it.
something already.
Oh, it's fun.
All right.
Okay,
let's do it.
Okay, come on, you know. All right, let's go. All right. Down.
Oh.
Up. Oh, this guy. Come on. Here, I'll help.
Oh, thank you.
Freeze.
Okay.
Freeze. Ice cream wasn't that bad. I made it myself. You gotta eat some of it.
Okay.
Well, come on,
I'll
it's
try
over
it.
here.
If my mom found out, she'd kill me.
Well, just try a little.
Oh, no.
Yeah. Huh? Peppermint coffee, you like? Yeah. Well, you're supposed to swallow it. You can't just mess it on your face.
Well, here.
Take it. Could you guys move over here? Shannon's paying more than anyone else just so that she can see. In this booth here, it's a nice place for actors. But we need 2 victims, and their names are. We're looking at the distinguished Stanley Lewis, Michael Gibbons, in a little game called Emo. Okay? Now the question is, who got the pen? I had it with me when I was younger. I got the pen. Okay, I know that this has happened to you. We'd like you to give us at this time some emotion. I know you have these. Oh yes, the obvious. Frustration. None of that, please.
Paranoia.
That's
a familiar emotion.
improv. Okay. What else?
Humiliation.
Humiliation. That was for you, dear.
Humiliation? That's not.
Starstruck.
Starstruck. That's what I just did.
That's what I'm seeing.
Okay, anything else?
Rage.
Rage, I've heard of that.
Happiness.
Are we supposed to
Oh, that's too difficult. Yeah. Self-pity. We're doing Scorpio out here.
Self-denial.
Self-denial. We did that. We've been doing that for 20 years.
Anticipation.
We're not doing that anymore. We can though. Self-pity, that's a lot. Anything nice? Any nice emotion?
Anticipation.
Something nice, like, you know, angst or feeling Norwegian, something like that. Okay, well, you guys got a party. Now this is serious. The last time we did this, we didn't do anything. Where are these people?
No one.
Oh, that's big. Okay.
That's a good reason for self-pity.
But the other real problem, we need a work or a blood
McDonald's.
relationship.
Don't start that again.
Working McDonald's. Blood.
What kind of love?
Good.
I know we have the same mother, but who's the pop?
Therapist and patient. Brother-in-law. Therapist patient.
Stepbrother. That's complicated.
Stepbrother.
Your brother.
Stepbrother.
Stepbrother. Who likes it? Yeah. Okay. Stepbrothers in the Talmud. It seems to be.
Blood brothers.
Stepbrothers must go on the hills and the movies instead. Okay, so stepbrother, you know, and your first emotion is on.
No.
So we can hear. Yep. Change emotion. Well, turning it on. Oh, we gotta plug it in. Come on.
Humiliation.
This is part of the show. This is the part that you paid for. Turn the midget on. Power. Just a little more power. I need more power.
Right out.
All right. Who likes this? Somebody likes this. Okay, and your first emotion, in a Tamwa, stepbrother, is the obvious humiliation.
Can't believe you did that to me.
Are you kidding? What do you think I was gonna do?
What
You
the
know,
heck?
shoot, I'm taking you around with people and they're saying, who's this white dude?
I can't help it. Joey had a different mother. We had the same father. Jesus.
Yeah, but it ain't my fault. I ain't gotta drag you
We
around.
didn't have to
Come on,
treat
I'm
you
gonna
like
play
that.
this with you.
What the hell did you do that for?
Ray,
I feel like
Ray.
a fool. Piss me off. Piss me off. Why are you so ashamed of me? I'm not ashamed of you. Why are you ashamed of me?
Wait a minute. Frustration.
I mean, come on. What is this anyway?
What do you think this
I don't know. It looks like a shield on her neck.
This is your grandfather, old Indian Joe, dummy.
Self-pity.
Yeah, well, I'm a fool then, I guess. I didn't know it was Grandfather Joe.
You're always hurting my feelings. I don't care what I try to do. You always make fun of it. You try to make me feel bad all the time.
I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
You're not sorry.
No, I'm not sorry. I'm lower than that.
Yeah, you're well shit. I'm sorry. Lower stuff in the ocean.
Anticipation.
Yeah, well, maybe the tunnel will blow up. If we're lucky, it would. Well, let's wait. If we hold our breath. breath, maybe it'll do it. No, we wouldn't have to come back.
How long do you think it'll take?
I don't know. I have no idea.
Can we leave before, stay here for it, or come back after?
Maybe there'll just be a big hole and we can have a big swimming pool. Everybody at MIU will have a nice place.
Starstruck. Starstruck.
I don't know what Starstruck is. I don't know who put that in there.
It was Michael
Jackson. Michael Jackson. I can't believe it. God.
Happiness.
Oh, we're in a sound bus.
Thank you. Carbone and Har.
Carbone.
Okay. Some new emotions. We did those.
Lots.
I've heard that. Vin. What's that again?
Vanity.
Vanity. Van.
Jealousy.
That's good in Australia. Aussie? Britain? Van. Confused. My favorite. Thank you. How much do I owe you?
Guilty.
Oh, that's my favorite.
Which is what you all should be feeling for not going to the meeting.
We felt bad. We did this for you. Anything in Norwegian? Anything?
Jealousy.
Jealousy, yes. Jealous of the Swedes. Yes. Don't tell that to Norwegian. Okay, okay.
Superior.
Superior, yes. Must be a Leo back there.
Devotion.
Devoted?
Devotion.
Devotion. Revengeful. You guys are fun. Why don't we just do this all night? Forgetful. That's enough. That's enough. You guys are too emotional. Okay. Oh, by the way, where are these guys? Dublin. Excuse me? Dublin. Dublin. Yeah. You're in Dublin. And you're in Dublin. And you're where in Dublin?
You're in pub.
Glasnevin. Glasnevin Cemetery.
Excuse me?
Glasnevin Cemetery.
Glass and Evans Cemetery.
Glasnevin.
Glasnevin, excuse me. That one is opposed to Glasnevin. Glasnevin Cemetery, not cemetery. Cemetery. Glasnevin Cemetery and a blood or work relationship.
What?
Work. Work. What kind of work? Wait a minute. Co-worker. Co-worker. They can figure that out. Co-worker in the
Dublin Cemetery.
Glasnevin Cemetery.
Glasnevin Cemetery. We may need you in the middle.
I'll be gone.
Okay, your first emotion, should you accept, or else you'll be self-destructive, is the obvious, the great, the eternal, confused.
What are we doing here?
I thought this was a shocking moment. What are you doing?
Looking into this grave.
What grade?
This grave.
Oh. Yeah? What are you looking for? Why?
I'm just looking.
Oh. Okay.
Okay.
Guilty.
We should
not be here. Why are we here? I don't know.
I didn't mean
Was
to.
it your idea? Why am I talking like this?
I don't know.
It doesn't sound like.
Oh.
Why are you?
No. Oh no. What's that guy gonna think?
I don't know.
Oh, I don't know.
Jealous.
Boy, is he lucky. I'm like arcade.
I kind of like the shape of that suit it's wearing.
Well, I don't know. But I mean,
Kind of
what?
it's a little better
Half
than
he
mine.
always gets a smile on his face. I don't know. Oh. Boy, what a lucky stiff. I was gonna go out and get bombed,
Superior.
But I am much better.
yeah, well, I'm better than him.
And I'm better than you.
So yeah?
Yes.
Oh. Well, who am you? Who are you anyway? What are you?
What are you?
Well,
I'm better than you. Whoever you are.
Vain. What? Vane. Like weather vane?
Well,
There's
I
nothing
am much
around,
better than
there's nothing around here but me. What a place to strut. I'll tell you.
just marvelous.
Devotions.
But then again, I might just.
Oh, Father! Sorry, I didn't mean to be carried on like this. Oh, I should have gone. I should have gone.
Let me in too. I want to get out of this pit.
Thank you. When Paul Doc says, please move his car, Paul Doc. Thank you. Well, we did that. You guys were great. How much do we owe you? So that was enough of that. We want to move on to something else. Who's got the filing cabinet? Right over there. That thing, that thing. Okay? Snackers on deck! Everybody up. Here you are, sir. Thank you, dear. You're a charmer. Okay. We like that, but... Okay. Who knows something about theater? Anybody? You do? Come on, get that. Who knows nothing about theater? You know nothing. Fine. Go to theater. Come up, my dear. Oh, and we need someone from the older set, please. For you. Okay? Who can I pay to vote the way I like? Okay. So you have those things. That's great. You're now the judges, along with this fearless audience of something we call theater sports. All this has been theater sports, but this specifically we call it that because we don't know what else to call it. And to start with, I need a lineup. Across the stage. You're over here.
Better page that.
Stanley.
Move this
How are we doing this far?
Dan Lewis, report to the lounge.
He's moving his. Okay. So this may change our plan a little. Here's what we're going to do. Michael Gibbons over there. Okay. Kirk Butterfield, Dan Carbone over there. Okay. The reason is because they're going to do a little entertainment while we're getting our act together, which may take a few years. Okay, the rest of you are A's and B's. Line up. A, B, A. Okay. You, since we're reversing our order here, are now an A. Okay? You guys are now B. Okay? Okay, because you're going to go up first. Since Stanley's not here, he had to move his car. You understand this? So I would like the B team up. Okay? Are you in the B team? Oh, A team up. Okay, you guys are A's? Right? You're right.
Yes.
Okay, good. Here's what's going to happen. Where's the B's? Where's the rest of the B's? Okay. Okay, what we need is from you a headline. Just any headline. Or else one out of my book. You guys got a headline? We'll compete.
Germans dance on wall.
Germans dance on wall. Okay, that's one. Wait a second. I like that one. The other option is Stanley, where are you? Come over here.
Car, buddy, moving your car.
Good job. Milk drinkers are turning to powder.
What is that?
Milk drinkers are turning to powder. These are real headlines. 500,000 Italian women seen on pill. Safety experts say school bus passengers should be belted.
1, Germans dance on wall. Okay, it's a little topical, but so what we want is Stan Lewis and Michael Gibbons front. You guys, they get a minute to plan their skit. Okay? They'll be rated on a scale of 1 to 10 by our fearless, intrepid, delightful, and educated as well as uneducated judges. Okay? And if I say 30 seconds or a minute, you'll have 1 minute to finish. These two will be entertaining you with a little game called Gemini. Good luck.
Thank you. I guess we should just assign these.
Either way.
We all saw them. Gemini, how it goes is we have no idea how it's going to go. I'm going to say a word, he's going to say a word, I'm going to say a word.
Just do it.
And we're going to hope that we can make sense out of this sentence. All right, you start.
1,
Turkey.
3, 4, 5.
The
Birds
of a
fell
off
the
roof
of
the
house
yesterday
just
because
their
wings
were
broken.
so
I
went
to
pick
some
berries.
and
There
were
before
vegetables.
seeds.
Seeds. No.
Meat.
Yum yum.
I think that was pretty good.
Now we're warmed up. Now we can do it. Now, wait, let's break five. All right.
Okay, straight forward. One more try. Hit it.
Oh,
Once
upon
a time,
I
walked
to
the door where
I
found
a
open
bird
door through
which
I
entered
and
saw
the
huge
clerk who leaned
on
my
car
and broke it.
Our headline tonight for Group A, Type A personality straight from China, is Germans dance on wall. Thank you.
This is it. That's Germany. This is freedom. This is freedom. We like it. Oh. Hey, let's go fancy West Disco. Let's go.
I'm so happy. I'm so happy to be here.
Hey, boys, guess what?
Fascinating.
I see it.
Okay.
It's a ball.
It's a ball.
It's a vest. A German ball.
Okay. So we need another headline, or else one of mine. Good. Good. Next group up. Planned Parenthood looking for volunteers. Good. Grandmother 8 makes hole in one. Stiff opposition expected to casketless funeral plan. Good. That's all. Collegians are turning to vegetables. Traffic dead rise slowly. Okay, what do you guys got?
Didn't hear it, Ivan Boski walks off train New York City.
Ooh, louder.
This is true.
I know, but
Didn't
louder.
hear Ivan Boski walks off train New York City. Not me, because
Ivan Boski walks off
train.
train in New York City. Who likes that? Everyone. Okay. How about guys are up. These guys are doing the same thing they did before. Since you're educated, you know what it is. Gemini.
Well,
I saw a
giant
What's that quote?
tortoise
tanning
in
southern
California.
oil
Went
underneath
my feet and
scattered
all
tanners
around.
sun
Then
fish
went
askew
and
degenerated
into
dogs. Save us, Paul.
Fine.
Bye.
One more.
One more. Right, okay.
once
On
a
fish
I
bicycle
into
a toma.
and
Volcanic
eruptions
spewed
all
over
my.
car.
So
Why
did
we
go
here
to
do
this.
They've had enough time. All right. Who thinks they've had enough? Okay, wait. Our title again is Rosanna Bauer has Martian Love Child.
Anybody have any hot water?
On table. Thank you. We give Rosanna. You gain some weight. There's more chairs over here. Anyone who can sit.
Is this the Rosanna bar?
Yeah, come on in.
Roseanne Barr? Well, hi, partner. How the hell are you? Oh, yeah. Give me a drink, Tommy.
I'll have any.
First time.
Yeah.
First time.
Oh, great.
Hey, where the hell are you from anyway?
This is my little buddy from Mars.
Yeah, go on.
I used to have invisible ants, but he's better than that.
What are you doing?
Love child, never quite as good.
Yeah.
Love child. God, I wish I could.
I think he's good.
I'm one of them special Martians. You can't hardly get them kind no more.
What are you doing? You want to go where? Anything bucket. Dog on. I think he wants.
I told you he was a love. Hey.
What is he doing?
The table.
Table, you're keeping it.
Okay. So what we need is from our fearless. Come on up here, you wonderful. The judges. Which one do you make? Okay. First group. Please give us your verdict on what was it called?
German
German Dance on Wall. Good title. Okay. What does it add up to?
19.
Thank you. I just.
Please, girl.
Good job. Let's hear it for Group A. Okay, let's hear it for Group B here.
Ah, yes.
7.
It's up to you. You want another one?
No.
In case of a tie, here's what happens.
already rehearsed once.
Janet Neville is up. The hero. Riding Squillo on the keyboard here. You need some lights? Oh, come on. A little house lights. Butterfield. Are these all Gershwin? First and last is Gershwin. Ooh. How we doing? Got anything? Got anything? Oh, this is from me. Okay. Janet? Great.
Okay, I lied, Paul. It doesn't work. Okay. I'm going to be singing 3 songs tonight, and they tell kind of a story, a love story, and they're all in an order, and so you can kind of hear with the words what they mean. The first song is a Gershwin song, and it's called Someone to Watch Over Me. And we need some light, or else we don't have any accompaniment.
Done enough, Shelby?
Yeah. There's a saying, oh, says that love is blind. Still we're often told, seek and ye shall find. So I'm going to seek a certain lad I've had. Billie Holiday.